Dear children, welcome to the new chapter Herons formula. Is it possible to find the area of the triangle without knowing its height? Or if it is impossible to find the height of the triangle, can you find its area? Yes, it is possible by using the formula given by Heron, and it is known as the Heron's formula. We can find the area. In this session, we shall solve the problems related to area of the triangle using Heron's formula. Yes, children, do you know how to find the area of the triangle? Yes, it is given by half into base into height. In any triangle, if you know its a base and perpendicular drawn to the base, it is height, and the area of the triangle is given by half into base into height, half BH or half into base into height. Similarly, how can you find the area of an equilateral triangle? You know, equilateral triangles, all sides are equal. Take it as A. So, how can you find the area of an equilateral triangle? It is given by square root of 3 divided by 4 a square, where A is the side of the equilateral triangle. Now, can you say how to find the area of the triangle without knowing its height? If you don't know to find, or it is impossible to find the height of the triangle, how can you find its area? Yes, it is possible to find the area of the triangle without knowing its height, and it is given by Heron's formula. Area of the triangle is equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where a, b, c are the sides of the triangle and s is the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter means what? Half of its perimeter. Semi means half. So, perimeter is sum of the three sides. A plus B plus C divided by 2 will give you semi-perimeter of the triangle. Now, let us find area of the triangle using Heron's formula. Take down one example. See, this is an interesting problem. Try to understand while reading the question. A triangular park ABC has sides 120 meter, 80 meter and 50 meter. A gardener Dhanya has to put a fence all around it and also plant grass inside. Now, question is, how much area does she need to plant? Then question number 2, find the cost of fencing all around it with barbed wire at the rate of rupees 20 per meter, leaving a space of 3 meter wide for a gate on it. Right? Now try to solve this. First, we have to write the three sides. Therefore, sides of triangular garden A is equal to 120 meter, then B is equal to 80 meter and C is equal to 50 meter. So, we can find semi-perimeter also. Therefore, find semi-perimeter. How can you find semi-perimeter? Sum of the semi-perimeter S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. It's equal to, add them, A is 120 plus B is 80 plus 50. I will write directly. So, it is equal to 250 divided by 2. It's equal to 125 meter. Therefore, semi-perimeter is equal to 125 meter. Now let us try to write s minus a. It is equal to 125 minus a is what? 120. Then you will get s minus a. It is equal to 5 meter. Similarly, s minus b is equal to 125 minus 80 is equal to 125 minus 80, you will get 45 meter, and s minus c is equal to 125 minus 50 is equal to 75 meter. Now the required s minus a, s minus b, s minus c are known. Therefore, find its area. Therefore, number 1, area of the triangle. Area of the triangle, I will write shortly. Triangle is equal to, formula is what? S into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. S minus c, write down carefully. S minus c is equal to square root of, substitute the values. S is equal to what? 125 into s minus a is 5, s minus b is 45, and s minus c is equal to what? 75. Now simplify again. What is the answer? 125. First factorize all the terms inside the square root sign, right? Yes, factorize it. I will write again. It is equal to square root of 125 into 5 into 45 into 75. Now factorize 125. 125 we can write in this way, no? 25 1 2s are 10, 5 5s are. Therefore, we can write 25 into 5. Similarly, 45. How can you write 45? Square root of 45. 3 1s are, 3 5s are, again 3 5s are. So, we can write it in this way. 9. Similarly, factorize 75. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are, so 5. 25 is a perfect square number. So we will write in this way. 125 is what? 5 into 25. Keep 5 as it is. Then 45. How can you write 45? 9 5s are 45. Again 75 is what? 3 into 25. Now, see, these are perfect square numbers, right? Square root of 25 is what? 5. Again, square root of 9 is 3. So, take outside. Now, square root of 25 is 5. Again, square root of 9 is what? 3. Square root of 25 is 5 again. Now, what is remaining inside the square root sign? 5 into 5 into 5 into 3, right? Now again 5 5s are 5 into 5 into 5, 3 times 5 into 3 is equal to, simplify, 5 5s are 25, 25 3s are 75 into 5 5s are 25. Again square root of 25 is 5. What is remaining? 5 3s are 15. So simplify. 75 5s are is equal to 375 square root of 15 square meter. So therefore write in sentence. Therefore, area of the park To plant grass is equal to what? To plant grass is equal to 375 into square root of 15 square meter. This is one question. Now let us find its perimeter. Perimeter of the park. We need its perimeter. How can you find its perimeter? We know perimeter. Therefore, question number 2 is what? Perimeter. Is equal to A plus B plus, I will write semi-perimeter. Yes, perimeter. A plus B plus C is equal to what? 120, then plus 80 plus 50 is equal to 250. Yes, 250 meter. This is the perimeter. Now, length of the wire needed for fencing. We required length of the wire, length of barbed wire needed for what? Needed for fencing around it. Fencing around it is equal to what? 250 minus what? Width of the gate. Gate width is what? 3 meter. Subtract 3 from 250, then you will get the length of the fencing wire. It is equal to what? 247 meter. Yes, this is answer for question number 2. Then lastly, what is the cost of fencing? Therefore, question number 3, cost of fencing is equal to, at the cost of rate of rupees 20 per meter, fencing is equal to 20 rupees into number of wire, length of the wire is equal to, length of the wire is 247. So 20 into 247 is equal to what? Double of 247. 2 4 7s are 14, 2 4s are 8, 1 plus 1 9, 2 2s are 4. So this much of amount or cost is required to fencing at the cost of rate of what? Rupees 20 per meter, 4940 rupees. Did you get this? Example 3. The sides of a triangular plot are in the ratio of 3:5:7 and its perimeter is 300 meter. Find its area. So, a triangular plot, let the side of the triangular plot be 3x, 5x and 7x. But we don't know each side, but it is in the ratio. Therefore, first we have to find sides of the triangular park or plot. A is equal to 3x, then B is equal to 5x and C is equal to 7x. Now it is given perimeter is equal to 300 meter. So find what is x. Therefore perimeter is given by what? A plus sum of the three sides, A plus B plus C is equal to 300. Substitute now. A is equal to 3x and B is 5x and C is 7x is equal to 300. So sum of these is equal to 15x is equal to 300. So x is equal to 300 divided by 15. Simplify. 15 ones are 15 twos are 0. Keep as it is. So x is equal to 20. Now we have to find what is A. A is equal to 3x. So 3 into 20 is equal to 60 meter. then b is equal to 5x. 5 into 20 is equal to 100 meter. Then c is equal to 7x. 7 into 20 is equal to 140 meter. Therefore we know ABC, we have to find semi-perimeter also. Therefore perimeter, you know what is the perimeter? 300 meter. Therefore semi-perimeter S is equal to half of perimeter. 300 divided by 2 is equal to 150 meter. Yes. Therefore S is equal to 150 meter. Now we have to find S minus A. I will write here A is equal to what? A is equal to, it is found now, B is equal to 100 meter and C is equal to 140 meter and S is equal to 150 meter. Therefore we need S minus A. What is S minus A? 150 minus 60 is equal to 90 meter. Then S minus B is equal to 150 minus 100 is equal to 50 meter. Similarly S minus C is equal to 150 minus 140, it's equal to 10 meter. Now write the formula. Therefore area of the triangular plot write Herons formula is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. You have to write within the square root sign. Is equal to square root of, what is S? It is 150 meter into S minus A is 90 into S minus B is equal to 50 into S minus C is equal to 10. Now let us write in this way. 15 into 9 into 5 into, I will write all zeros together. See, 1 0, it is 10 again into 10 again into 10, 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 together is equal to what? It is equal to, see, 4 zeros followed by 1. Now again simplify. I can write 15 in this way. 15, 3 5s are 15, 9 keep as it is, 5 keep as it is. This is 10,000, keep as it is. Now which are the perfect square numbers? Yes, 5 into 5, it is perfect square number. 9 is perfect square number. Again 10,000 also a perfect square number. So keep it in outside the square root sign. So what happens? Square root of 9, I will write this one first. Square root of 9 is 3. Then square root of 5 into 5, 25. So square root is equal to 5. It's a square root is equal to 5. Then see here in 10,000 there are 4 zeros. If you take its square root, then the zeros will be reduced to half. Therefore it is equal to 100. Square root of 10,000 is equal to 100. Then what is remaining inside the square root sign? Only 3. So this will be the answer. So 3 5s are 15. 15 into 100 is equal to what? 15 into 100 is equal to 1500 square root of 3 square meter. So area of the given triangular plot is equal to 1500 square root of 3 square meter. Now take down exercise 8.1 question number 1. A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of the signal board using Herons formula. If its perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of the signal board? So, there are two questions. One is we have to find the area of the signal board which is in equilateral triangular shape using Heron's formula, and its perimeter, if it is 180 centimeter, then what will be the area of the signal board? Yes, now let us write an equilateral triangle whose side is A. All sides of the equilateral triangles are same, so sides be A. Therefore, write down sides of an equilateral signal board A is equal to A. Take this as A, B also A, and C also A units or A centimeter. Now, what is the semi-perimeter? We know the perimeter. Perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C is equal to A plus A plus A is equal to 3A meter. Therefore, we need semi-perimeter. S is equal to half of perimeter, 3A divided by 2. Now, we have to find what is S minus A. S is equal to 3A minus divided by 2 minus what is A? A is always A. So, it is equal to, take the LCM of 2 and it is 1 here. So, LCM is 2. Now, cross multiply 3A into 1. This is 3A. 3A into 1 is equal to 3A minus 2 into A is equal to 2A. So, it is equal to, subtract 2A from 3A. You will get A divided by 2. So, S minus A is equal to A by 2. Since S minus all A sides of the equilateral triangles are same, therefore S minus A is equal to S minus B is equal to S minus C, and it is equal to A divided by 2. Now we can find area of the equilateral triangle using Heron's formula. What is Heron's formula? Area of the triangle is equal to, therefore, area of equilateral triangle is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now, substitute the values of S. What is S? It is 3A divided by 2. It is equal to 3A divided by 2. Write down. Is equal to square root of 3A divided by 2 into S minus A is equal to A by 2. Again, S minus B is equal to A by 2 into S minus C also A divided by 2. So, now simplify further, then you will get square root of product of numerators 3A into A into A into A is equal to what? 3 into A power 4 divided by 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So, this will be the answer. On simplification, you will get square root of A power 4. What is the square root of A power 4? It is equal to A square. Square root of 16 is equal to what? 4. So, what is remaining inside the square root? You will get only 3. So, A square divided by 4 into root 3, or we can write in this way also, square root of 3 divided by 4 a square unit square. So this will be the area of an equilateral triangle. Now let us move to find its area or area of the signal board if the perimeter is equal to 180 centimeter, right? If the area, write down, perimeter of the signal board, perimeter of the signal board 3A is equal to 180 centimeter. So what is each side? Each side is equal to 180 divided by 3 is equal to 60 centimeter. So each side is 60 centimeter. And what is the semi-perimeter? And semi-perimeter is equal to half of 60, half of 180 is equal to what? 90 centimeter. Now what is S minus A? S is 90 minus A is 60 is equal to 30 centimeter. Since S minus A is equal to S minus B is equal to S minus C, because it is an equilateral triangle, each sides are equal, therefore all are equal. S minus A is equal to S minus B is equal to S minus C. Now substitute the value of S, it is 90, and S minus A is equal to 30. Then what do you get? Therefore area of the triangular equilateral signal board is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Substitute the values. S is equal to what? S is equal to semi-perimeter, it is 90, into S minus A we calculated already, so it is equal to 30, again into 30, again into 30, then you will get, now here I will write in this way, 9 into 3 into 3 into 3, and all zeros put together, then you will get 1 2 3 4. So 4 zeros followed by 1, then you will get, say this is one perfect square number, again this is also a perfect square number. Square root of 9 is what? 3. Again square root of 9 is equal to 3. Then square root of 10,000 is equal to what? 100. What is remaining inside the square root? Only 3. So it is equal to 3 3 is a 9. 9 into 100 is equal to 900 square root of 3 centimeter square, or square centimeter.